Meaning of housekeeping money.
Housekeeping money.
Housekeeping money.
Housekeeping money.
Housekeeping money. Housekeeping money refers to the budget allocated to everyday expenses like groceries, bills, and other necessities in a household. This type of money typically comes from a joint account where both partners contribute equally. It is also commonly known as allowance and helps simplify financial management and reduce arguments over money matters. By setting aside specific amounts for regular expenses, couples can avoid overspending and maintain their budget effectively. Housekeeping money encourages transparency and fairness in financial decision-making and fosters healthy communication between partners.